Hello, Kfir from Surface Integrity Premium Bathtub Resurfacing and Repairs. And now I want to show you what I'm dealing with today. Check this out. This is a rental unit, and the owner renovated all around the old bathtub. The old bathtub was left inside. Well, left in place. It's very worn. It's damaged. You can tell there's chips on it, here and there, all around. It's very worn. There's chips on the ledge, a lot of residue of construction. You can see that there is rust inside the tub. If you look at the ledge of the side skirt of the tub, it looks terrible. Look at that. We're gonna make this baby looking amazing. In 5 hours approximately, this bathtub is gonna look like new. Alright, I'll keep you posted later on what's going on here in the job site, and at the end of the day you're gonna see how this baby looks good. Alright, see you soon. Clear Surface Integrity. Have a good day. Bye. Okay, me again. I want to show you the bathtub after about 5 hours of work. This out. We're coming in, and there you go. How amazing it looks. Can't even think about what happened before. What kind of bathtub was here before? It was pretty disgusting. Wow. The bathtub is right now fresh. Can't touch it. Here you go. Amazing. Okay. Another beautiful transformation from Quality One here in Ottawa. See you next time.